Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you my favorite piano songs, and I'm gonna be doing the first one is Rabbit, and second one is Turn Down for What? What is this? We don't know that. And the third one is Don't Let Me Down, and fourth one is Hello. The hardest one is Hello, but the easiest one is Sunset, because Sunset is only some kind of song that we know everyone. Now let's go to the Rabbit of my favorites. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please enjoy and sit. Alright guys, first step, we're gonna be checking the green pad. It's the sound like a gun. That's it only. Now second part is the pink pads. Whoa, that's an awesome. Alright, now second. Tok 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 tok. Tok tok tok. That's awesome. Now let's try it. That's awesome, guys. That's the fourth step. Now the first step of the green pads. All are different, but like a kind of sounds like the buns. Right guys, our charge is low. Let's get started. The first part of this song, there is a 5 parts. The first one is the yellow. Let's start the first. This is the first. Let's go to the slow-mo. And this is the second part, guys. And let's go to the slow-mo. Now this is the third part. Let's go to the slow-mo. Now this is the fourth part. Same, but some slow only. Now let's do the first, second, third at the same time with whole squat. Alright guys, here we are. Easy with the green pads. It's gonna be making like good sound. You must use it with green pads. The green pad is easy to learn. You must do the second part. After the second part, press green pad like this. Then do the third part. Then press 1 time. Then again do the third part, but you must press 2 times in green pad. Like that. Let's do a whole stout with the green pad now. We are ready, guys. This is the end. Now guys, we're doing with the blue pads and the yellow pads after the blue pads. Right guys? I'm promising you will learn this. Let's go to the green pad now. That's the full part, guys. You can do all of it easily by pressing 1 by 1. 1 second for the pink pads and no seconds for the orange pad, like this. Now I'm gonna be showing you the speed like this. Now guys, I'm doing all part without any mistake and without the blue pads also, guys, because the blue pads making me angry and I'm getting angry to destroy it. Alright guys, let's get started. Don't waste time. final step for everybody. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later. At the next video in the Super Pass, we're gonna be using the hardest one, guys, the Halo. Halo is the hardest one, guys. That's what I'm gonna be learning today, and I'm gonna be showing tomorrow or after 1 hour. Bye.